cantori, putava do soli. But if I carry a picky, you never agree, yeah. So corny.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Z Face. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, you're welcome. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I snatch this wig. So I'm actually showing you guys the wig right now. It's a bob wig. It comes with a closure. I got it from a local beauty store here, and the hair is really soft. So I went ahead to wear my brown wig cap, and I'm using my Got to Be glue gel to just lay my edges right now using my toothbrush. So now that my Got to Be gel is dry, I'm going ahead to just lay down my wig. I have a detailed tutorial on how to lay down a wig, how to lay down a closure on my channel. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So I'm going ahead to use my concealer brush to just press down the lace onto the gel so that it glues down well onto the gel. So next, I'm just trying to create some fake edges using the short hairs that I have in front of the closure, like to just give my wig a beautiful look. So next, I'm using my face wipe to just wipe the excess glue that I have coming out on my forehead. So next, I'm using my detangling brush to just comb the hair. So guys, this wig came with this length, like it's like they already cut it in the beauty store or in the company that it was made. Next, I'm going to use my Nova Mousse to just apply that onto my hair. It makes my hair really lie flat, and it makes it to look really silky and nice and smooth. I'm going in with more mousse and applying that onto the edges because I felt like they were hard, so I just wanted everything to be smooth and nice. So all of that looks good. Going back in with my detangling brush to just comb that all through. You need to comb so that you actually see what you're having. We can actually leave the hair like this though, because it's really cute like this, but we want a real bob wig, sister, because right now I was really feeling this wig like, oh my god, I could actually leave it like this. So now I'm increasing the heat to the highest level of my Babyliss. Next, I'm going into my hair, going in with this small comb, just separating the hair into parts. You don't want to do it in chunks because you want your work to be smooth. So I'm taking just a small part of the hair, combing all that through, and then going with my Babyliss. And guys, please watch closely and see how I do this. Like, I'm not going to forward this part, I'm just going down, just taking that down, and I try to like turn my Babyliss. I don't know how to say it, but you guys understand what I'm doing. Like, I really wanted something that is curly down there. Yeah, you see how that came out good? Yeah. So I'm just going to continue doing that throughout the hair, so watch and enjoy. So I'm going back in with my Babyliss and I'm just pressing the middle part of my hair because I really want it to be flat, like really flat. Then to add more shine to my hair, I'm going in with this above spray and I'm just spraying a little teeny little bit of that onto my hair. You don't want too much. Next, I'm combing that and just spreading the oil throughout my hair. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Tu m'as pas